Yeah, direct cushion.
Direct cushion, perfect.
KLM 789, after departure via right hand direct cushion. After departure via right hand and then 180 until 10 miles, radar vector stay local.
After departure heading 180 after 10 miles directly local KLM 789.
KLM 789, correct. On your 180, running 10, clear takeoff. When it's 070 degrees, 12 knots.
Clear takeoff level 10, heading 180 KLM 789.
Fin 62, caution wake, departed Boeing 787, running 10, clear to land when it's 070 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear cushion, clear to land 10, taxi 62.
Delta taxi and phone.
Echo Delta.
And confirm that's it for the day. I don't show any other flight plans right now.
That's it.
Okay.
And Julian, good afternoon with 1811, we are requesting taxi.
1811, stand by the taxi.
Stand by on the taxi with 1811.
10653, runway 10, clear takeoff in 06016.
Takeoff, copy the wind.